So this is the only area where I have decent lighting, so hopefully it looks good, it sounds good. So I'm trying to do like a weigh-in type thing where I either check in once a week or once a month, just depending on how it works. But I started off with my Amberlynn parody video, and it was kind of like just to motivate me to try to lose weight. So I wanted to check in about last week. So last week I made like an Amberlynn parody video where, you know, I poke fun at my weight, and you know, I use her as motivation to try to lose weight, because she made like an inspirational type of New Year's resolution video where she takes the new year on as her motivation to lose weight. And you know, I took it and I was like, yeah, you know, I'll lose weight too. And on the video I put my starting weight, and then she talked about her starting weight, and I think I put 192. And I weighed myself this week. I tried to do a clip for you guys, but I realized while I was holding the camera, it weighed more. So like holding the camera added more weight, because I like to not wear much. Like right out of the shower in the morning, I go weigh myself, and you know, I jot that down. And normally it'll be on the same day. So like on a Sunday, which to me is like my end of the week, because tomorrow I have to go to work and stuff, and you know, it's like the end of the weekend. The result was that I weighed 190, so I lost 2 pounds. I don't know if it's water weight, I don't know if what I'm doing is working, but this week I ate oatmeal for breakfast, drank lots of water. I at least try to drink, or actually, like, I carry around my water bottle and I drink 2 of these. I think one of these is 32 ounces, so I'll drink two of these throughout the day, and that's just minimum. Something new that I started this week, I was eating a protein bar for lunch. So I would do a coffee in the morning with an oatmeal, and then for lunch I would have a protein bar, and then that would kind of just hold me off until dinner time. And then dinner time is where I was just like, you know what, I'll just have whatever's around, you know. If somebody at home made dinner, then I'll have that, or if, you know, I have the time to cook, I would cook something healthy. I can't really remember what I had this week for dinner. I'm sure I tried, you know, to make it low carb as much as I could. I just want to remind everybody, whoever's watching this, I'm trying to do a lifestyle change. It takes baby steps. I don't know what I'm doing, so it's kind of like a learning process. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna try to, you know, make videos of what I eat throughout the week, because so far all of my like what I eat in a day videos have been over the weekend when I'm not like busy with work. So I'm gonna try to grab some snaps and insert them, or you know, make a separate video of what I eat during the week, like while at work. But let me know if you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Yeah, please support me.